New Year's Eve, a night filled with sparkling lights, joyful cheers, and endless possibilities. For many, it's the perfect time to celebrate with friends and family, reflect on a year gone by, and look forward to what's ahead. But behind the glitz and glamour lies a story we don't often hear, a story about impact, choices, and the steps we can take to make each new year a better one. Let's start with the most iconic symbol of New Year's: fireworks. A spectacle that lights up the night sky, bringing joy to millions. But these bursts of color come at a cost. Fireworks release harmful pollutants, including carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and fine particles, which contribute to air pollution. In densely populated cities, these pollutants can linger for hours or even days, affecting air quality and posing risks to those with respiratory issues. On top of that, the loud explosions can disturb local wildlife, leaving animals disoriented and stressed. But it's not all doom and gloom. Some communities are finding alternatives, like laser light shows and drone displays, to create dazzling visuals without the environmental toll. Maybe it's time we all explore new ways to celebrate sustainably. And as the fireworks fade, another year's tradition takes over: travel. This year alone, nearly 80 million Americans are expected to travel during the holiday season, whether by car, train, or plane. But all this movement comes at a cost. Our planet pays the price in emissions. Let's break it down. The average car emits about 411 grams of CO2 per mile. For planes, the impact is even greater. Air travel accounts for roughly 2.5% of global CO2 emissions, and during peak travel times like New Year's, that number skyrockets. So, what can we do? Small changes like carpooling or even planning celebrations closer to home, while it doesn't really feel like much at first, can make a big difference if we all do it. And while for some, you can't just take a car across the ocean, so if that's the case for you, at least try and take direct flights as they are more sustainable. And remember, every little bit adds up. Once we've arrived at our destinations, the celebrations begin, but the way we party can have an even bigger impact than the journey itself. New Year's celebrations often come with a lot of excess, from single-use decorations to piles of food waste. In fact, during the holiday seasons, Americans generate 25% more waste than usual, much of which ends up in landfills. When food waste decomposes in landfills, it releases methane, a greenhouse gas that's up to 80 times more potent than carbon dioxide. The glitter and glamour of the new year may be short-lived, but their environmental impact lingers way long after. Fortunately, we can celebrate without the waste. Opt for reusable decorations, compost leftovers, and encourage your guests to bring their own reusable items. It's small, simple steps like these that make a difference. When the glitter settles and the countdown ends, the new year brings with it a powerful opportunity, a fresh start. Enter resolutions. Resolutions are more than just promises to ourselves. They're a chance to shape our future. This year, consider adding eco-friendly goals to your list. Start small. Reduce your energy consumption, cut down on single-use plastics, or support local, sustainable businesses. And it's not just about individual actions. Joining community efforts can amplify your impact, making it easier and more fun to stick to your goals. And if you don't know where to start by going to www.teddyinitiative.org and signing the petition today. As we step into the new year, let's remember that every choice we make matters. Celebrate, reflect, and resolve to do your part for yourself, your loved ones, and the planet we all share. Here's to a year filled with hope, action, and a brighter future.